Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Level Up Your English.
Hey everyone.
Welcome to day 21 of our Speak English in 30 Days series.
In day 20, you learned how to talk to a doctor in English.
And today, we're going to learn emergency English.
This is very useful in real life because sometimes something urgent happens, you need help fast, and you need to speak clearly.
In today's lesson, we're going to learn simple English for emergency situations.
You do not need difficult English. You need short, clear, useful phrases.
Let's start with some very important emergency phrases. Help.
I need help.
Call an ambulance.
Call the police.
It's an emergency.
I can't breathe.
I feel dizzy.
I'm hurt.
Someone is hurt.
Please hurry.
Very good. These phrases are very short, but very important.
In an emergency, simple English is best. You do not need long sentences.
For example, if you need urgent help, you can say, I need help.
If the situation is very serious, you can say, it's an emergency.
If someone needs medical help fast, you can say, call an ambulance.
If there is danger or a crime, you can say, call the police.
If you feel very bad physically, you can say, I can't breathe.
I feel dizzy.
I'm hurt.
And if another person needs help, you can say, someone is hurt.
Or, he needs help.
She needs help.
You can also use simple questions in an emergency. Can you help me?
Can you call an ambulance?
Where is the hospital?
What should I do?
These questions help you act fast.
In emergency situations, the goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to be clear, direct, and fast.
That is enough. Clear English can help a lot in urgent situations.
In the next part, you're going to listen to full emergency conversations. Just listen first. Don't repeat yet.
Try to understand the situation. Listen to what the emergency is, what help is needed, and how we ask for help.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
So stay with us, and let's continue. Now you're going to listen to full emergency conversations. In these conversations, someone needs help and must speak clearly and quickly.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kind of English yourself.
So first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together.
Help.
What happened?
Someone is hurt.
Okay. Is the person awake?
Yes, but he's in pain.
All right. Call an ambulance.
Okay. Please hurry.
Stay calm. Help is coming.
Now let's listen to another example. Excuse me.
Yes?
I need help.
What's wrong?
I feel dizzy.
Can you stand?
Not very well.
Okay. Sit down here.
Okay.
Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Now let's listen to one more example. Help!
What's the problem?
I can't breathe.
Okay. Try to stay calm. Do you need an ambulance?
Yes, I think so.
All right. I'm calling now.
Thank you.
Stay with me. Help is coming.
Now another situation. Excuse me.
Yes?
It's an emergency.
What happened?
My friend fell down.
Is he awake?
Yes, but he can't stand up.
Okay. Call an ambulance.
I don't have my phone.
That's okay. I'll call.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Now one more short conversation. Help!
What's wrong?
There is a fire.
Okay. Call the police and leave the building now.
Okay. Please hurry.
Go outside now. Don't stay inside.
Okay. Now let's listen to one more example. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can you help me?
Of course. What happened?
My daughter is hurt.
I see. Is she okay?
She is crying and her arm hurts.
All right. Let's call for help.
Thank you.
Stay calm.
So, in these conversations, we are using short and clear English in emergency situations.
We say what the problem is, what help is needed, and what is happening.
That is very important, because in the final part, you will practice the same kinds of emergency phrases yourself.
So, first, just listen, understand the situation, and get familiar with the phrases.
Then, in the final part, we will practice together. Now that you listen to the full emergency conversations, let's practice a few important emergency phrases.
This time, repeat the key phrases out loud after us.
This is the moment to speak, and don't worry about being perfect.
I need help.
It's an emergency.
Call an ambulance.
Call the police.
I can't breathe.
Someone is hurt.
Very good.
Now it's your turn. Listen to the situation and answer out loud.
You need urgent help. What do you say?
Someone is hurt. What do you say?
You can't breathe. What do you say?
There is danger and you need the police. What do you say? Today you learned emergency English for real situations.
And this is only day 21.
Tomorrow, we're going to learn how to ask for help in English.
So you can get help clearly and politely in many everyday situations.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and continue this 30-day journey with us.
See you in day 22.
See you tomorrow.